What's going on, guys? Thanks for stopping by my little channel for my 1-minute review of this Uncleseiko US1711 Speedmaster reduced bracelet. This one sitting on an Omega Speedmaster 3511.50.00 reverse panda automatic date from the 90s. I think this bracelet modernizes this watch very nicely. The original bracelet is a very Speedmaster-esque bracelet. This one much more of a modern interpretation. Hollow end links, solid links, pins, 18 millimeter lug width, an $89 price tag. Just really goes very, very well on this Speedmaster. Let me know if you guys would like a full review.